Hello po! Magandang Biyernes sa inyong lahat. Ngayon po ay October 28, 2022, the last Friday of the month. At 58 days na lang, Christmas na! Mabuhay po kayong lahat at welcome po sa the stock market today. Ang ating news ay tungkol sa Meralco. Pero bago ang lahat, ako po si Benji Chodoro. Ako po ay isang retired bank officer na nagsimula mag-invest sa Philippine stock market noong 2007. Araw-araw kong binabalita ang pinaka-latest news tungkol sa inyong paborito at pinaka-aktibong stocks sa Philippine market. At iniimbitahan ko po kayo mag-subscribe sa aking channel. Kung meron po kayong stocks na gusto nyo pa-review o meron po kayong tanong tungkol sa stock market, paki-comment lang po sa comment box at aking pa-prioritize. Hindi po ako financial advisor. Mas sinasabi ko po dito ay hindi po financial advice. Again, Mari, get well soon. Pinsan ko po yan. We're praying for your swift recovery. Matagal na po siyang merong sakit. Huwag kayong alis dahil babahagi ko sa inyo ang ating financial headlines at ang resulta ng trading sa ating PSA ngayong araw, October 28, 2022. Dito lamang sa the stock market today. Don't go away. Okay, ang ating financial headlines ay galing po sa BDO Securities at sa economic news, hot money outflows increased to $367 million in September. Fitch ratings keep negative Philippine outlook. Collier says POGOs occupy only 5% of office stock. MER signs supply agreement with Terra Solar. Ito po ang ating main news. And TEL selling more towers next year. Ang main news po natin ay galing po sa Business World, but I will be reading the summary from BDO Securities. Meralco Terra Solar Inc. 850 megawatt power supply deal. MER signed a 20-year power supply agreement or PSA with Terra Solar Philippines, a subsidiary of Prime Infrastructure Capital Inc. The PSA provides that 600 megawatts of power supply will be available by February 26, 2026, while an additional 250 megawatts will be delivered starting February 26, 2027 at a headline rate of 5 pesos 80 centavos per kilowatt hour. MER FBP and Head of Regulatory Management Jose Ronald V. Valdes said the rate for this renewable energy supply offer is very competitive and lower than fossil power generation plants, especially at this time when fuel prices are skyrocketing, he added. This PSA forms part of our compliance to the Department of Energy's Renewable Portfolio Standards policy, and at the same time cements our commitment to the source of up to 1,500 megawatts of our power requirements from renewable energy, sabi po ng summary. Okay, maraming po salamat. At let's check. I have some comments here from our subscribers. And ang isa po ay galing kay CY. Sir Benjamin, how is your stock portfolio performing right now? Gains or losses? And how are you managing it in this bearish market? Alam po ninyo, I have two stock portfolios. One is for investment. Ito po yung long term. Hindi ko po binibenta yan. Time horizon ko po dyan is 3 to 5 years or more. No? Isa naman is for trading. So short term lang po yan, mga 3 to 6 months binibenta ko na po. Pero mas malaki po yung aking portfolio sa investments because long term po ang aking view. And yung aking trading is only maliit lang. No? Hindi masyadong malaki. Dahil ito naman ay pera na pwede ko namang i-give up. Yung money I can afford to lose, kumbaga. Ngayon po, pareho po siyang loss. Kasi difficult po yung ating trading activities ngayon. Difficult po yung trading environment. And yung aking investment portfolio, may kumikitang stocks, meron po hindi. But in general, it's a loss of 6.22% of the amount is a loss. Mark-to-market loss. 6.22 loss po yan. Yung aking trading portfolio po naman ay mas maliit po ito. Actually, it's just siguro mga 20% of my investment portfolio. Maliit lang po. Pero mas malaki po yung loss dito. Nasa 17% po ang losses ko dito. But marami pong opportunities pagka ganito po ang downturn ng market. Kailangan mo lang talaga dito ay meron kang money to invest. Because alam po ninyo, pagka nag-i-invest po kayo sa magagandang stocks, ay umaakyat po yan eventually. Ngayon po, in my investment portfolio, mostly po ang hawak ko po dyan ay index stocks and REITs, mostly. Ito po yung kumikita ng dividends and in the long term ay aakyat po yung presyo niya. But right now, the market is down and I have a mark-to-market loss of about 6.20%. Yung aking trading portfolio naman, some of them are risk stocks. Pero ang karamihan po dito ay good stocks din naman. So, yung nagko-compose ko po ng trading portfolio are usually index stocks, magaganda, malaking kumpanya, LTG, MER, MPI. Ang risk stocks ko lang dito is Philodril, yung OV. But aside from that, everything is good, Yun nga lang, down ng market, meron po akong mark-to-market loss na 17.05, And some of these, yung nasa trading portfolio, pwede kong, I plan to shift it to long-term na. Tulad nitong MER at Metro Pacific, long-term ang bumili po ako dito for trading, but eventually I will be transferring it to the long-term or investment portfolio. Meron din akong Pure Gold, URC, RRHI in the trading, Converge, All HC. And all of these are good stocks actually. So, hindi naman ako kabado. Hindi naman ako kabado dito. Kahit 17% yung trading ko, losses ko, or mark-to-market, or paper losses, as yung unrealized gains is another term for trading loss. Unrealized losses. Ay hindi naman po ako kabado dito. Yung risk assets ko, ang liit lang naman ito yung OV, maliit lang ang hawak ko dito. Wala pang 10,000 to. Less than. Pwede kong hayaan na lang at, let it go, Let it go, let it go. Kumanta pa. Anyway, ganun po. Yun po ang aking portfolio. So, maraming po salamat, sa inyong tanong. And I would suggest the same thing, with you guys. If you are starting in the stock market, I suggest that you have an investment portfolio. Yan po yung long-term na hawak nyo. And yung trading portfolio, yan po yung tinetrade nyo lang. Yun po yung merong 3 to 6 months o merong days nga lang Yung iba, nagtitrade days lang. Binili ngayon, bebenta bukas. Pero ako po, swing trader po ako So, bibilin ko ngayon, mag-aantay po ako ng magandang opportunity para ibenta po yan. Yan po. Okay po, maraming po salamat for your question. And right now, let's go to the Philippine Stock Exchange and the Philippine Stock Exchange Index on how it performed today. Okay, yan po ang ating index. Bumaba po siya ng 77.15 points. Nasa 6153.43. Ang equivalent po niyan ay 1.24% down. So, profit-taking Friday po ito, no? Sa ating market summary, 95 ang nag-decline, 70 ang umabante, at 58 ang di nagbago. Ang all-share index ay bumaba rin ng 0.76%. Ang lahat ng sectoral indices ay down, liban lamang sa financials na tumaas na 0.55%. Ang pagbaba ay pinuunahan ng properties sa 2.59% in the red. Okay, tignan po natin ang most active stocks. Umakyat po si Eagle, so tignan po natin si Eagle, si DNL, at yung nag-figure out sa news kanina, si MER at si TEL, and yung most, yung nag-gain na index stock, si BDO and BPI. Okay, so umpisa na po natin sa Eagle. Si Eagle, umakyat si Eagle. And ang dahilan po niyan ay dahil meron pong disclosure si Eagle sa Philippine Stock Exchange, ano? And ang kanyang disclosure, actually hindi niyo po ito nakikita. Ako lang po nakakakita dito. Sale of shares. On October 28, the company was informed by its controlling stockholder, Far East Holdings. Ito po yung grupo ni Mr. Ang, ano? That it received notice from the Philippine Competition Commission that the PCC has ruled that the proposed acquisition of San Miguel Equity Investments of 85.5 or 88.5% of the company's outstanding capital stock is not subject to the notification requirements under the implementing rules and regulations of the Philippine Competition Act. In view of the foregoing, the company was advised by the FEHI that the FEHI will be withdrawing its notification with the PCC in connection with this transaction. So hindi na pala kailangan ng approval, ano, for the shares to be bought at, I think the price was 22 pesos whereabouts, no? And ito po ang naging dahilan niyan, umakyat lalo yung presyo, naging 20.75. And meron po siyang volume, yung kanyang support ay nandito. Yan, steady lang po siya, 88.83 Pero ngayon, umakyat po siya ng 9.21% or 1 peso 75 centavos at meron pong volume breakout po si Eagle, and this is the highest in 52 weeks. So, hindi pa po natin alam kung kailan magkakaroon ng tender offer, no? Doon po sa mga stockholders, current stockholders ni Eagle on the 22 pesos price na binibili po ng grupo ni Mr. Ang. And then, yan po yung pinaka-support niya na dating resistance, at ito po ang pinakamataas na presyo ni Eagle ever since naging stock po ito. Yan po. So, nasa 20.75 po siya. Yung 2090 is a 52-week high. And then, DNL. Yun. Meron din siyang green engulfing candlestick pero kulang po sa volume to. Kaya hindi po natin masasabing breakout ito. So, from the closing price of 720, naging 786 or 66 centavos up or 9.17% ang kanyang akyat, no? Slightly above average ang volume pero not much para sabihin po nating breakout ito. Samantala, ang dating resistance na naging support ay nasa 727 at yung kanyang presyo ngayon na 786 ay nasa resistance level. Mataas po yung kanyang RSI, nasa 67 po. So technically po, bullish po itong si DNL. Then next, we have Meralco. Meralco ay umakyat ng konti at pababa po ang kanyang presyo, pero yung kanyang 20-day moving average ay nasa ilalim. So, on the short term ay sideways to bullish po ang kanyang movement on the short term, no? Pero yung kanyang medium and long-term indicator ay nasa taas ng candlestick, na ibig sabihin po ay hindi pa po natin masasabi na nagbago na po yung trend, although yung kanyang RSI ay nag-oversold noong September 30. Paakyat po siya. So fundamentally, titingnan po natin ang MER, ang kanyang presyo, Meralco. Manila Electric Company, may buy rating po siya at target price is 445 or a 50% upside. Maganda po magbigay ng dividendo ito. Press release, tingnan natin itong press release na ito. Kung ano sinasabi niya, the company's board of directors approved the company's operating results for the 9 months. Mukhang maganda naman. Sana maganda, no? May ibang news kaya ito. Tingnan natin dito. Kung may ibang news si Meralco, pero bidding of local shares retreat on profit taking. Okay. So walang news on Meralco regarding their profit, ano? So tingnan na lang natin to bukas. But in the meantime, ang pinaka-support, let's draw a parallel channel for Meralco. More or less yan po yung parallel channel niya. With a slight overshoot. So, pinaka-support niya, nandito po sa 269 at nasa 303 po ang pinaka-resistance, near resistance level na po si Meralco. And then, tingnan natin si TEL. Si TEL, mukhang medium and short term bullish po. At nag-oversold po si TEL noong October 11. At kung titingnan po natin ang parabolic SAR, may buy signal po siya dito. Dito sa noong October 14, noong closing price is 1430. Ngayon nasa 1634. So si TEL is one of the stocks na kailangan nating tignan, ano? Dito sa parabolic SAR dahil trending stock po itong si TEL. Okay. So ang pinaka-support ni TEL nandito sa 1419 at ang kanyang resistance nandito po sa area nito nasa 1695, the nearest resistance. Bullish po si TEL on the short and medium term. Yan. And then we go to BDO. BDO is, wow, bullish po si BDO. Lahat po ng ating mga indicators ay nasa ilalim na po. So, paakyat po siya, no? At maganda po ang result of ito, may 9-month profit siya. So, mukhang ako lang nakakita nito. BDO 9-month profit rises by over 23%. Kaya po umaakyat po si BDO. Robust profit growth in the first 9 months of the year, which is it hoped to sustain despite external headwinds that could impact economic growth. Okay. So maganda po yung balita kay BDO regarding their 9-month profit. Support is here at 112, pero ang resistance ay nandito po. The next higher is nasa 129 to 130. Support and resistance, di po yung exact points. Areas po yan. Finally, we have BPI. So maganda din ba ang balita kay BPI? Maganda rin. Paakyat din po si BPI. At yung ating indicators, though piercing through, ay nasa ilalim na po, no? nagkaroon na po ng crossover. Tingnan natin yung parabolic SAR. Nagkaroon po siya ng buy dito. So it's still BDO and BPI ang pwedeng i-apply yung parabolic SAR, no? So kung bumili po kayo dito at the closing price of 93.35, ngayon po ay nasa 96. So kumita po ng konti. So in other words, ang pinaka-support ni BPI nandito po sa area to, nasa 89 to 90, samantalang ang resistance nasa area to, nasa 97. Okay, so yan po ang ating report sa stock market. Ika-28 ng Oktubre, the last working day of the month at long weekend po tayo. And meron pong bagyo, mag-ingat po tayo sa bagyo. Ito po si Benji Chitoro nagpapaalala, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Maraming salamat sa inyong pagtangkilik. Hanggang sa muli, happy long weekend. See you next Wednesday. God bless and bye for now.